What is my strategy? Because people mix up sometimes. They want to attract and they want to convert and they want to engage and multiply, and sometimes they don't achieve anything because they want to do many things at one time. We have to focus. We have to decide whether are we in the attraction phase or the conversion phase. So the strategy has to be done properly by filling in the marketing questionnaire, and we should trust the process. Defining the goals and objectives, doing the proper SWOT analysis, implementing the marketing mix, and then intersection. How my products and services will intersect with the demand in the market. How my products and services, features, prices, quality will intersect. So I have to put realistic goals and objectives. The more I know about myself, about my product, about my capabilities, about my resources, about the technology I'm using, and the more I know about my potential buyer, the better the intersection will be. And we should not forget the KPIs. If we don't have KPIs, we will not be able to measure, we will not be able to develop.